Hello and welcome back. Let's see new Canva feature where we can find this huge collection in Canva. So let's go to the left side menu, Elements, scroll down, and here you see Collection. So let's choose Isometric Vector Gym, and here you see amazing library. Simple, friendly 3D teachers. Woman portraits. Cool chrome shapes. Print press shapes. Gradient. And more other. Amazing, yes? Here is the Pro account. Let's check my free Canva account. I'm closing this one and let's go to my other account and choose social media and Facebook cover. Go to Elements. And I don't see this feature in my free Canva account, and I hope it will get soon in all accounts. So click like, subscribe, and if you want to learn more, check my Extensive Canva Master course on udemy.com. Link you will find in the description. See you next time.